library management system, hospital management system. Forget it. Why? My friends actually spent 6 months coding this project. What is the result? Submitted? No. Defended? Got job offers? No, they are jobless. Why? Because they actually ignore these 5 things that the recruiter actually look for in the projects. So if you are also starting your project right now, don't skip this video. It is going to be very useful. If you're a BC student or BTech student, then these 5 tips will change how recruiters see your resume. And if you also want more career changing content, then hit that subscribe. Let's deep dive into the main section now. The main section begins with the tip number 1. The tip number 1 says that solve real world problems, not textbook solution. Stop building those image generators or weather apps. Recruiters are bored of watching those. Ask yourself, what should I actually use this? Build something you really need. A Chrome extension that solves real world problems. A tool that fixes something annoying in your daily life. Real world problem shows real problem solving skills. That's what gets you interviews. Tip number 2. Tech stack is equal to market demand. You might be wondering before starting your project to which code you should use, whether it's Java or whether it's Monstack or whether it's FullStack. Wait, wait.
रुको जरा सबर करो.
Before writing the code, just open LinkedIn or Node.js. Search for entry developer rules. See what they are asking for. Look which job role has more openings. That's your answer. Pick one modern stack and go deep dive into it. According to my view, now React is trending for the front end and Node.js is trending for the back end. Don't pick 5 projects and make 5 tech stacks. Use those 5 tech stacks to make 5 projects and list them in resume. It will make your resume messy. Pick one tech stack and master it. Let me tell you a secret. Add one trending skill like make your project with AI integration, cloud or deployment. This will make your project look stand out from others. Shows that you're not stuck in 2025. This single tip will make your interview calls 3x better. Tip number 3, that is GitHub plus deployment is equal to non-negotiable. 2 things that most of the YouTubers as well as the recruiters don't say you. But let's decode those 2 secrets now. Secret number 1, decoding it now. And that is your project lives on the GitHub from the day 1. It will live forever, not one massive push at the end. Regular commits like fixed authentication, fixed bugs should be there in your commit section so that recruiters know you are serious from the day 1. Tip number 2. Deploy it live. You might be wondering that it is paid. No, there are platforms like AWS, Vercel or Render where you can make your website live for free. Yes, recruiters love something which they can click on in the resume. So add your live link so that recruiters know that you don't just code on localhost. You know the full deployment cycle. Recruiters click the link. Make sure it works. Documentation is equal to your interview cheat code. Yes, this is tip number 4. And the tip number 4 is your README file should be more important than your code. Yes, seriously. Why? Because your README file will be read by the recruiter. The README file to stand out, you need these things to cover. The things are you need to write what problem you solved with screenshot, what tech stack you used, and why you chose it, how to run it, and what challenges you faced, and what are the solutions for it, and also the future improvements. One thing you can do to stand out in it is you can add a demo GIF video. Recruiters will see that and they will understand the whole project in just 6 to 7 seconds. And this brings us to the last section of the video, and that is tip number 5. Build features that tell story. This separates your 0.01 project from getting hired. Yes, don't just add random features. Add features that tell the story. Add features like security, performance. This will help you to flex these features in the interviews. Helps the recruiters to know that you know more than just code. You know the real world problems, real world features which are in the apps. If this really helped you, then please hit like and subscribe Decode Bites. I will be sharing more career content related videos soon. Yes, and also comment your project, which I will be giving a personalized advice to what to add on. Now go build something which really matters. See you in the next one. This is your host Bhumika signing off.